About subfloor mold. Have you noticed an unpleasant musty odor in your home? Or perhaps you've seen unsightly mold growing in your subfloor area? One of the main culprits behind subfloor mold is improper drainage. Subfloor mold doesn't just look and smell bad, it can have serious side effects. It can cause respiratory issues and allergies.
It's getting ready for mold treatment in the house.
You'll need professional help to properly assess the extent of the problem and to implement effective solutions. Our team uses protective gear to safely remove and dispose of mold-infested materials, ensuring that the contamination does not spread. Regular inspections and proper home maintenance are vital in keeping mold at bay. Thank you for watching this video. If you're facing subfloor mold issues, remember SRM Mold Removals. Give us a call at 0478 218 239.